Decision-making statements. Decision-making in Python is done by conditional statements, which decide the flow of program execution. The following conditional statements are available in Python: if statement, if-else statement, nested if statement, if-elif else ladder. The if statement. The if statement is the simplest conditional statement. Here, a statement or a collection of statements within the if block is executed only if a certain condition or expression evaluates to true. If the condition evaluates to false, then the control of execution is passed to the next statement after the if block. The syntax of the if statement is given below. Test expression: if true, body of if false, statement just below if. Program 1 to check whether a given number is positive. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 2 to demonstrate the if statement. On running the above program, we get the following output. The if-else statement. The if-else statement checks for a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the indented block following the if statement is executed. Otherwise, the indented block after the else statement is executed. The syntax of the if-else statement is given below. Syntax: test expression: if true, body of if, followed by statement just below if. If false, body of else, followed by statement just below if. Program 3 to compare two numbers and print the result. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 4 to display one of the two alternate messages. On running the above program, we get the following output. Nested if statement. Python allows the nested if statement. This means the if indented block inside another if-else indented. This means the if indented block inside another if-else indented block. The second nested if indented block will run only when the first if condition evaluates to be true. The syntax of nested if statement is shown below. Test expression 1 if true, then test expression 2. If true, then statement 1. Test expression 1 if false, statement 3, followed by statement 1. Test expression 2 if false, followed by statement 2, then followed by statement 1. Program 5 to find out if the student is selected for the college or not based on the given conditions. 1. Selected if age is above 18 and marks above 65. 2. Not selected if age is above 18 and marks are below 65. 3. Not selected if age is below 18. On running the program given on previous page, we get the following output. Program 6 to check if the given number is lucky or not. If the given number is greater than 0 and is even, then print lucky number, else print not a lucky number. On running the above program, we get the following output. The if-elif else ladder. The if-elif else ladder is another type of if statement. It helps us to test multiple conditions and follow a top-down approach. In this, as soon as the condition of the if evaluates to be true, the indented block associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the ladder is avoided. If none of the conditions evaluates to true, then the final else statement gets executed. The syntax of if-elif else ladder is shown below. Syntax: if test expression 1 is true, then statement 1. If test expression 2 is true, then statement 2. If test expression 3 is true, then statement 3. If it is false, then body of else, which all leads to statement just below if, elif, else ladder. If test expression 1 is true, then go to statement 1 followed by statement just below if, elif, else ladder. If test expression 2 is true, go to statement 2 followed by statement just below if, elif, else ladder. If test expression 3 is true, go to statement 3 followed by statement just below if, elif, else ladder. If test expression 3 is false, body of else followed by statement just below if, elif, else ladder. Program 7. To check whether a given number is 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 8. To print the message based on the marks entered. Display the messages 1. Sorry, you are failed in the exam if the marks are less than 35. 2. If the marks are less than or equal to 60, display the message passed with C grade. If the marks are greater than 60 and less than or equal to 85, display the message passed with B grade. 4. If none of the condition evaluates to true, then display the message passed with A grade. On running the above program, we get the following output.